Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to plot some lines of latitude and longitude, how to plot the points, and how to read a point that on a map, what is the latitude and longitude. Let's start by trying to figure out what are the coordinates or the latitude and longitude of different points on this map here. I'm going to start with point A. First, let's find point A. I'll circle it so we know where to look. Here's point A. So we need to find the latitude and longitude. Remember, we want to look for the latitude first. When we write latitude and longitude numbers, we always write the latitude first. Latitude goes across the page, right? Lines of latitude run across the map. So if I look at point A, here it is, the latitude is this line across the map. I'll highlight it and follow it along, and it looks like the latitude of point A is 40 degrees north. Now let's think about the longitude. I'll do longitude in blue. The longitude, remember, goes up and down the map, or long ways, longitude, long ways. Let's see what the longitude of point A is. Point A is here. If I go up and down, I'm looking at this line here. It looks like the longitude is 80 degrees west. So for point A, the coordinates, or latitude and longitude, are 40 degrees north and 80 degrees west. Remember, when we write latitude and longitude, we want to have the latitude first, then the longitude. We always need to include the degree sign and then the direction, so north, south, east, or west. Let's try another point on this map. Okay, let's look at point B. Point B. I'll circle it so we know where to look. Here's point B. Let's find the latitude first. Latitude goes across. For point B, we go across. The latitude of point B is 20 degrees north. How about the longitude of point B? Longitude goes long ways, L-O-N-G, long, right? That's our trick to remember. It goes up and down. For point B, the longitude is going up and down this way, and it looks like it's at about 40 degrees east. So my coordinates for point B, or location B, are 20 degrees north and 40 degrees east. Now, this is us reading a map that has points already plotted. Let's do a little bit of practice of the kind of questions where we are given coordinates and we need to plot the point. Let's look at the first one here. The directions say plot the following points. Location A is at 60 degrees north, 40 degrees west. I'm going to use a highlighter on the map so you know where to look, but normally you can just follow along the line with your finger, with your pencil as you're drawing the points. This is 60 degrees north. Okay, so here's my equator at 0 degrees. If I'm north, I'm going north of the equator, above the equator. So I have 20, 40, and then 60 degrees north looks like it's here. Okay, so this line, 60 degrees north, this line of longitude is 60 degrees north. But that's not what the question is asking us. The question is asking for an exact point. We have to find the intersection of latitude and longitude, the exact point. Where do these two points meet? So the longitude is 40 degrees west. So let's now look at the longitude. Remember, longitude goes up and down, the line's up and down. So my longitude numbers are on the bottom, and I need to find 40 degrees west. Here's 0, my prime meridian. and I'm going to move west. 40 degrees west is right here. So 40 degrees west, this line of longitude is this line here that I'm highlighting in blue. Okay, so the point, my actual answer right now, is the exact point where these two lines meet. So in this case, I would draw a dot here. This is where the two lines meet. This is location A. Okay, let's try and look at question B. Okay, this time I'm not going to highlight on the map. That way we can see what our regular answer should just look like without highlighting all over the map. Here we are looking for 40 degrees south, 120 degrees east. For latitude, latitude is first, 40 degrees south. I'm going to start at my equator and head south, or go down from the equator. 20 degrees south, 40 degrees south is here. So I'm looking at this line on my map. Then I have to find my longitude. Here the longitude is 120 degrees east. If I look at the numbers on the bottom of the map, those are the longitude. I start at the prime meridian, and I want to move this way because I'm moving east. 40, 80, 120 degrees east is right here. So this is the line I'm looking for. Let's see where these 2 points meet. Looks like my point is right about here. 40 degrees south, 120 degrees east. I will draw a nice big dot to show my point and label it B.